To transfer money overseas with TorFX, start by reviewing your bank account to ensure you have sufficient funds for the transaction. Next, log into your TorFX account and identify the overseas account you need to transfer money into, making sure you have the recipient's correct details, including their name, identification, and address. You will also need to provide the details of the overseas bank account, including the bank identifier code. Once you have confirmed the accuracy of the recipient's details, you can initiate the money transfer process. Be sure to confirm the transaction charges, including the currency exchange rate costs, and link your bank account to TorFX to facilitate the transfer and cover any required costs. As the transfer progresses, track the process and check your email for updates at each stage. Finally, wait for confirmation that the overseas recipient has received the funds. By following these steps, you can successfully transfer money to overseas accounts using TorFX.